Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your foot care routine, the Zikillya Electric Foot Callus Remover, complete with a 16-pack pedicure kit. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what this product is all about. The Zikillya Electric Foot Callus Remover is a comprehensive foot care solution designed to tackle dry, rough skin on your feet. This kit includes 16 different tools, making it a complete set for anyone serious about foot health. Made from high-quality stainless steel and ABS material, it combines durability with efficiency. The kit features an electronic pedicure tool, cuticle remover, fine file, two-sided foot file, cuticle fork, callus scraper, sandpaper file, and more, all the essentials you need, so you won't have to purchase anything else. One of the standout features of this electric callus remover is the 3 interchangeable roller heads. Each roller head serves a different purpose. The rough roller is designed for removing stubborn dead skin, the medium roller is perfect for tackling rough patches, and the fine roller is ideal for daily foot care. This means you can customize your experience depending on your specific needs. Switching roller heads is a breeze, thanks to the button located beside each roller, allowing for easy removal and replacement. Another great feature of the Zikillya Electric Foot Callus Remover is its adjustable speed settings. With 2 speeds, 1,700 revolutions per minute and 2,000 revolutions per minute, you can tailor your foot care routine. The low speed is perfect for daily maintenance or for individuals with less callus buildup, while the high speed is designed for those who require a more intensive treatment. Switching between speeds is simple, just press the touch button to find the power level that works for you. Charging the device is also convenient, as it's rechargeable and comes with a USB charging cable. It features a built-in 1,200 mAh battery that's designed for long-lasting use. Plus, there's an LED display that shows how much battery life is left, so you'll know exactly when it's time to recharge. Now, let's discuss the practicality of this product. The Zikillya Electric Foot Callus Remover is IPX7 waterproof, which means you can rinse the entire device under running water for easy cleaning. This is particularly useful for maintaining hygiene after use. Additionally, the built-in LED light illuminates your feet while in use, ensuring that you can see every detail, day or night, which is especially helpful for those hard-to-see areas. So, who is this product suitable for? If you struggle with dry, cracked heels or rough patches on your feet, then this kit is definitely for you. It's also a great choice for anyone who enjoys pampering themselves at home with an effective pedicure routine. Whether you're preparing for sandal season or just want to maintain soft, healthy feet, this electric callus remover can help you achieve that. In practical terms, you can use it while watching TV, listening to music, or even after a long day of standing. It's a relaxing way to take care of yourself, and with the various tools included, you can cater to your specific foot care needs without needing to visit a salon. In conclusion, the Zikillya Electric Foot Callus Remover and its 16-pack pedicure kit offer a comprehensive, efficient, and user-friendly solution for foot care. With its durable materials, versatile roller heads, adjustable speeds, and waterproof design, it's an investment in your self-care routine that you won't regret. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.